Hello, my name is Mark Janard and welcome to the Cybersecurity Show. In this video, I'm going to break down a story in which artists are using AI to fight, wait for it, AI. So without further ado, let's get right into it. You know we're going dark. So artists have been fighting back on a number of fronts against artificial intelligence companies that they say steal their works to train AI models, including launching class action lawsuits and speaking out at government hearings. Now, visual artists are taking a more direct approach. They are starting to use tools that contaminate and confuse the AI systems themselves. One such tool is called nightshade. Won't help artists combat existing AI models that have already been trained on their creative works, but Ben Zhao, and I hope I'm saying your last name correctly, who leads the research team at the University of Chicago that built the soon-to-be launched digital tool, says it promises to break future AI models. And we have a statement here. You can think of nightshade as adding a small poison pill inside an artwork in such a way that it's literally trying to confuse the training model on what is actually in the image, Zhao says. We have AI models like DALL-E or Stable Diffusion usually identify images through the words used to describe them in the metadata. For instance, a picture of a dog pairs with the word dog, Zhao says. Now, nightshade confuses this pairing by creating a mismatch between image and text. And we have another statement. It says, so it will, for example, take an image of a dog, alter it in subtle ways so that it still looks like a dog to you and I, except to the AI, it now looks like a cat, Zhao says. Now, Zhao says he hopes nightshade will be able to pollute future AI models to such a degree that AI companies will be forced to either revert to old versions of their platforms or stop using artists' works to create new ones. Now we have another statement here. It says, I would like to bring about a world where AI has limits. AI has guardrails. AI has ethical boundaries that are enforced by tools, he says. Zhao's team also recently launched Glaze, which is a tool that subtly changes the pixels in an artwork to make it hard for an AI model to mimic a specific artist's style. Here's the statement. Glaze is just a very first step in people coming together to build tools to help artists, says fashion photographer Jingna Zhang, hopefully I'm saying your name correctly, the founder of Kara, which is a new online community focused on promoting human-created as opposed to AI-generated art. Here's a statement. From what I saw while I tested with my own work, it does interrupt the final output when an image is trained on my style, Zhang says. Zhang plans are in the works to embed Glaze and Nightshade in Kara. And then there's Kuduru, created by the for-profit company Spawning AI, or Spawning.ai. The resource, now in beta, tracks scrapers' IP addresses and blocks them or sends backward unwanted content, such as an extended hand gesture, if you know what I mean, or the classic Rickroll internet trolling prank that spams unsuspecting users with the music video for British singer Rick Astley's 1980s pop hit, Never Gonna Give You Up. On around, you. We have a statement. We want artists to be able to communicate differently to the bots and the scrapers used for AI purposes, rather than giving them all their information that they would like to provide to their fans, says Spawning co-founder Jordan Mayer. So what do you think about these efforts? Are you on the artist's side or are you on the big AI company's side? Let me know in the comment section below. Please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the notification bell. Please share the content. I appreciate your viewership and see you on the next video.